Ultimate success roadmap for everyone. Know your starting point. Measure and keep track of your success. Take the steps you need to stay fit, healthy, and positive. Stay motivated as life brings new challenges, transforms big lifestyle goals into small, manageable actions that help you take control of your health and feel better ever. Supercharge your learning and memory. Turn your shadows into strengths. Reliably transform your mindset. Inspire yourself to take action. Improve your brain health. Bounce back from failure. Become unstoppable. How they turned huge setbacks into major comebacks. How they took control and changed their own destiny. Why past failures are so important to success. How and when they realized their real purposes. Try to answer all these questions. The secret to their biggest achievements, where their inspiration really came from, why service to others is critical, and the one belief they all have in common. It is time to take your future into your own hands. It is time to believe in yourself so you can achieve your dreams. Get belief and achieve today. Have successful future that is actually waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.